Hello friends, are you a lover of fruit juices and smoothies? Would you want to learn how to make smoothies and fruit juices from the comfort of your home? Or do you want to start a healthy drink business where you sell smoothies and fruit juices? Then this ebook, Sip and Glow, is for you. You're going to be learning 40 amazing recipes of smoothies and fruit juices with their ingredients and measurements. Guess what? These fruits are readily available in whatever country you are. Smoothies and fruit juices have a lot of health benefits, which include they aid in digestion, help to regulate the excretory system. They also help your skin to glow. They have a lot of vitamins and minerals that will help to nourish your body and your skin. They help to boost your immunity. Juices and smoothies help to detoxify your body. It helps to boost your energy. It helps in weight loss management. If you want to live healthy, then you have to include vegetables, fruit juices, and smoothies in your meal plan. So apart from the 40 recipes you'll be learning from this ebook, we also have some bonuses. We have a 7-day smoothie and fruit juice detox plan that will help your body to remove toxins. 20 natural skincare routine with fruits, vegetables, fruit juices, and smoothies, all natural. Another bonus is a business starter checklist that will show you how to sell your smoothies and juices from home for those that would want to start up their healthy drink business. Also be getting a bonus TIGERNUT recipe and a bonus granola recipe, all in this book, and it's going for over 50% discount of just 2,000 naira or $3, depending on your country. All you have to do is check the link in the description and also the link on your screen. Click on that link and you can download this book immediately. No matter the country you are, just simply click the link below and you'll be able to download the book immediately.